and talk about national political updates this morning, where we're just almost a year away when it comes to elections in the state of West Bengal. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now seized this opportunity to launch a blistering attack on Mamata Banerjee-led government. In a public rally that he held in Durgapur district, the Prime Minister urged the state to give them one opportunity, and he's promised to give them back a government which is honest, hard-working and strong. The Prime Minister went all guns blazing against Mamata Banerjee and her government, where he has accused the TMC of giving shelter to infiltrators in the state and has blamed the Gunda tax and mafias for blocking West Bengal's development. He's further called out on the TMC for not providing an environment that is safe for the daughters of Bengal. He even bemoaned that even hospitals are not safe under the regime of the TMC.
यहाँ टीएमसी ने अपने स्वार्थ में पश्चिम बंगाल की पहचान को भी दांव पर लगा दिया है। इसके लिए यहां घुसपैठ को बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है, घुसपैठियों के फर्जी कागज बनाए जा रहे हैं। इसका एक पूरा इकोसिस्टम यहां डेवलप किया गया है। ये पश्चिम बंगाल की देश की सुरक्षा के लिए खतरा है, ये बांग्ला संस्कृति के लिए खतरा है, लेकिन तुष्टीकरण के लिए टीएमसी हर हद पार कर रही है। भाजपा की तरफ से मेरा यह आग्रह है कि आप एक बार भाजपा को अवसर दें, एक ऐसी सरकार बनाएं जो ईमानदार हो, कामदार हो और दमदार हो।
Let's now talk about the TMC, which was quick to hit back at the Prime Minister, citing the special intensive revision, the SIR exercise that has been taking place in Bihar. The TMC has now accused the BJP of using the Election Commission to remove the voters from the electoral list. They go on to say that the Maharashtra and Delhi model will not work in Bengal, and the people here will reject the BJP once again.
Honorable Prime Minister, he used to come here and say, usually he says, Parivartan chahiye. But Parivartan took place in 2011 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, and the Parivartan is going on with more and more development. But now we see that instead of Parivartan of outside, himself, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has been changed. What is the change? He has shifted from Jai Sri Ram to Jai Ma Durga Jai Kali. After 11 years, why Ram ji ki name of Lord Rama not been used by Narendra Modi in Bengal? We also puja Lord Ram, Bhagwan Ram. Lekin why Ram ji has been eliminated and now he includes Ma Durga and Ma Kali? This is the andar ka baat of the state politics.
And many corruption issues again.
Well, indulging in state politics, that has been the claim that has been made by the TMC. There, Tetri connected with us. Tetri, good morning. We are looking at the officially sounding of the poll bugle, both by sides as far as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is concerned, in the way that he took on the TMC-led government in the state of Bengal.
Well, absolutely, as you rightly first mentioned, that just 1 year away, we are just 1 year away from the West Bengal Assembly elections, and Prime Minister was in Durgapur, where not just once but multiple times he made very sharp attacks on TMC's Mamata Banerjee, starting with how she easily allowed illegal immigrants to settle there in the state of West Bengal. Not just that, but he also mentioned that if BJP comes to power, then legal action in fact will be taken against the illegal immigrants. They will not be allowed to stay. And then further he mentioned about Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. He mentioned also about one nation and one constitution that shall be in fact followed in the state of West Bengal. Number But if we talk about him, also mentioned about how there is appeasement politics that's been played from the side of Mamata Banerjee, TMC, on and on. We have been seeing at occasions that how to appease one or the other community. Mamata Banerjee keeps on giving such kind of statements or keeps on bringing such kind of policies is what the Prime Minister has said. Now, if we talk about what TMC had said, then we just heard that Kunal Ghosh, the TMC leader, how he mentioned about the Prime Minister not talking about Lord Ram and talking about Goddess Durga. So now,
issues taking center stage as far as the SIR revision, the exercise that has been taking place in Bihar. There are other issues of illegal immigrants as well. Amid, when it comes to this poll bugle that has now been sounded in the state of West Bengal ahead of the elections. State Chief, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back on the other side of a very short break.